Okay, this is video now. Sino kayo? Sino kayo? Sino kayo? Ronaling and Andrew. Ronaling at Oh, no, I don't want to. Okay pa bang lipstick ko? Ano to? Video na ngayon. Video sa YouTube na. Oo, para makita nila, ano? Kukuha na ko sila. Naiya ako eh.
Ano to?
Ano yan? Ano yan? Putong kasama. Chloe! Hello, Chloe! Hoy!
Vicky, did you ask Philip to do something today, and you haven't trained Philip to do that kind of work since beginning of your marriage?
You asked me to do today the vacuuming of the house.
Yeah, the bias.
And you never showed to
And you
him.
never given me induction, you never given me site plan, you never told me the evacuation procedure.
Tamad yan, tamad.
That's wrong. No. That's not tamad.
That's safety issue. Safety issue.
Any kind of work now in this stage, you have to do some training.
Hey, can you train him?
It's your job.
It's your job because my tools is different to your tools. So every
Lazy dickens.
No, not lazy. Just right to be safe. You train me properly, I will do it.
Eh, kaburi na yung gawa ko ka, Jojo.
Ha?
Kaburi mo talaga yung luto ko, na.
Kumain na ako.
Hanapin mo. Ha? Ano? Ayos ba kayo dyan? Ayos.
Ayos lang.
Ayos. Ako kasi hindi ayos eh.
Dala niya yung sabi sa...
Ang cute naman ng baby, oh. Oh, cute niya, no?
Lolo?
Napabayaan yata sa ano? Napabayaan. Pero maganda, cute. Cute niya. Ito, cute na. Cute din niya, no? Aba? Sino tong...
Siyempre, ganda.
Aba? Ganda babae. Pogi naman. Sino ka?
Hindi ako sinuka, no? Sinuka.
Kinda na kang kay...
Have you guys eaten already?
Matawad ko mga Ayun da nakakayaki kayo ni. Matamad ka. Ayun da nakamo hanggang bayo mag-Friday. Sana na ako lang. Simbang mo. Pinakpahilala mo? You introduce o?
Ito mag-introduce. Then she takes the video.
Ate Lita. Phil, mom. Yeah, Phil, mom. And his dad.
Like we'll be eating and then she'll be like,
Hey, who's that? Phil. And the brother.
hi.
And the kids. All the kids look.
Here, dessert here.
Kami, sasabay na kami sa mga aga.
I think hindi kayo ayos eh.
Ikaw naman. Tanong mo kasi mo babalik.
Padala ako na eh, padala ako. Okay.
Balo nung, di mo sa akin niyo. Ilan ang sakay mo na?
Kapilan ko dala kaya ka?
Mag-train ako.
Ha? Kapilan ka makawari.
Di bayok na ko.
Ay,
Paluto
kapilan
na
nga eh.
lipstick.
Ekbalo.
Lipstick mo.
Ekbalo eh, kapilan.
Ha? 26 kami mako.
25 na eh.
Ikaw naman?
20. Basta before.
Mid-October.
Mid. Baka kaya karano mo na palang.
Ay, basta makilo ba?
Ang kuya, 5 ka kuya Eddie ah. So, tsaka 5 kayo. Kami na kayo.
Hoy, Bika!
5 nga kayo.
Sige, bulos mo na kining nasi.
O, bulos.
Anak, magdalang
O, sige, bidyora ka bulos me.
Bulos na.
Siyempre akong taga-bidyo.
Ako lang pasalubong kayo kayo. Yan ang pasalubong ko.
Luko, 5 mo. Wala namang tunggal kiko kante.
Hala?
Wala ka rin kayan mo ita. Yan naman mabayad. Gawin mo man, kilwan me man. O yan, ni Kan Jojo. Kalupa kay Kan Jojo. Ay!
No.
Oy, hey! Did you remove the video?
He's famous. I love my family.
I love my family too.
I love my family.
You love your family? Did you see? I put in the YouTube that one.
Did you?
Oh.
I love you.
You love your family? Tita Leslie, do you love your family? Hey, you love your family? Ano yan?
There's a sapin over there.
What's the sapin-sapin?
Tapon-tapon.
Hey, what's it?
Peachy peachy.
Ah, pichi-pichi to.
There's sapin over there.
Ano to, pichi-pichi?
You eat that already?
Where is I love my family? You love your family, oh. Hindi. Hoy. You love your family? You love your family, ah? O ikaw, you love your family?
I love my family.
Ituro mo, which one? You love your family too?
I love my family.
Na ano yan? Lechon. Paksi.
Yan, kuya nin ka nang.
Gloria, you love your family o?
I told them already.
Say, Jones, number 1.
Meron pang ililay itong ano.
YouTube again?
Come on, baby. No. James, no. James naman eh.